my lead gen secret and the results that I've had so far. I joined on May 15th, 2019. It is now Monday, November 25th, 2019. So I've been in my lead gen secret a little over 6 months. Let's look at my earnings so far today. $41 this morning. It's 6:56 in the morning right now. Yesterday was $70 for my lead gen secret. This week would just be today only, so $41. Last week from my lead gen secret was $703 from my lead gen secret. Let's look at so far this month. So far this month is $2,301. And let's look at last month. Is $3,268 last month for my lead gen secret. Let's look at all time right now. And so this is November. This is October. Let's see, here's September. August. July. June. May. $13,277 earned from my lead gen secret. I've also used the leads themselves to promote other programs, and that's not included in this total. So it's starting to be a pretty nice income stream of I mean, last month was $3,000. This month was over 2,300 so far. We'll probably definitely have some more come in here before the end of the month. So I would think that would probably be around $3,000 this month, maybe a little more. So that would be if I do $3,000 this month for my lead gen secret. Last month was 3,200 something, and the month before that was 3,000 something. So that would be 3 months in a row of over $3,000 from my lead gen secret alone. And I do other stuff online as well. So this is really starting to add up. It's becoming a lucrative program to promote. Creates a nice kind of base income for things where it covers a lot of living expenses with this. So it's really cool. I'm really glad that I got into my lead gen secret. If you're at all interested in my lead gen secret, there should be a link underneath this video. You can sign up, you can learn more. It's $30 setup fee and $30 a month. Be a member of my lead gen secret. You get 100 leads a day. That doubles to 200 leads a day once you refer someone else. It has a lucrative affiliate program that pays down 5 levels deep. You get $5 a month on the first tier, $4 a month on your second tier, $3 a month on your third tier, $2 a month on your fourth tier, and $1 a month on your fifth tier. As you can see, those small commissions really start to add up. Another thing they do, once you refer 5 people, for every 5 people you refer in a week, you get a $100 bonus. So if you refer 10 people, you'd get $200. If you referred 15 people, you'd get $300 bonus every single week. So those start to add up as well. In fact, if we look at the bonuses for what I've made all time, it looks like probably 32, because there's one that says that it's what it is. So I've gotten, here this explains that you get the $100 superstar bonus. Well, I've had 32 of those superstar bonuses. So of my 13,277 I've made from my lead gen secret so far, 3,200 of that has been from bonuses that they've paid me. So it's really looking pretty good. This is becoming a nice little income stream for me and for a lot of